Have you ever thought of learning an African language? Have you ever heard of a language called Lingala? Do you want to learn Lingala? Are you attracted by this beautiful African language? Do you like to listen to Lingala songs? This wonderful book Lingala Made Easy will help you learn Lingala in an easy and fun way in no time at all. Based on repetitive learning strategy, this book provides you with educational games and engaging activities, word searches, crosswords, puzzles, Scrabbles, multiple choices, reading comprehensions and many more. Which use experience rather than memorization to teach and help to develop problem-solving skills, therefore language acquisition. You can order your copy today through Amazon by simply typing Lingala Made Easy. Lingala Made Easy.
Hi everyone, Mbote Wandeko Nangai, welcome to a new video. Today's lesson is a bit special. It's a kind of an assessment to check your progress. You check your understanding on words for greetings and how you say your age, how you say where you live in Lingala. We have 15 questions. It's going to be multiple choice. So each question will have 4 choices to pick from, only one correct answer, but you're going to have 4 choices to pick from. I'll be giving you 5 seconds each time, and then you have to say your answer after. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. How do you say hi Marrion in Lingala? Matondo Marrion, Tomonani Marrion, Mbote Marrion, Nasepeli Marrion. 5 seconds. Off we go. Mbote Marrion. Number 2. What is the Lingala for? My name is Patrick. Nafanda kana Patrick. Kombo nangai Patrick. Nalinga ka Patrick. My brothers. 5 seconds. Off we go. Kombo nangai Patrick. Number 3. How would you say see you next time in Lingala? Kombo nangai, nasepeli komona yo, matondo tomonani mbala ya sima. 5 seconds. Tomonani mbala ya sima. Number 4. What is the Lingala for? How are you? Ozana mbula boni, oza malamu, sango nini, tomonani mbala ya sima. 5 seconds. Off we go. Sango nini. Number 5. What is the Lingala for? I am fine, thank you. How do you say that in Lingala? Naza malamu, matondo. Naza malamu te, mbote matondo, nasepeli mingi. 5 seconds. Off we go. Naza malamu matondo. Number 6. How would you say hello, I'm not fine in Lingala? Mbote, kombo nangai, pokwa elamu, matondo, mbote. Naza malamu te, mbote tomonani. 5 seconds. Mbote naza malamu te. Number 7. How would you say I am in the middle in Lingala? Naza kaka bongo, naza malamu te, naza malamu mingi, nafanda kana. 5 seconds. Off we go. Naza kaka bongo. Number 8. How would you say hello, I live in? Mbote, kombo nangai, mbote, nafanda kana matondo nafanda kana mbote tomonani. 5 seconds. Off we go. Mbote nafanda kana. Number 9. How would you say and you? How old are you in Lingala? Ebongo yo ufanda ka wapi? Mbote kombo na ngai. Ebongo yo kombo na yo nani? Ebongo yo ozana mbula boni. 5 seconds. Off we go. Ebongo yo ozana mbula boni. Number 10. How would you say stay well, thanks in Lingala? Tomona ni mbala ya sima. Mbote tongo elamu. Kaka bongo matondo. Tikala malamu matondo. 5 seconds. Tikala malamu matondo. Number 11. How would you say where do you live? Thank you. Mbote mingi matondo. Ufanda ka wapi mbote. Ufanda ka wapi matondo. Uzana mbula boni matondo. 5 seconds. Ufanda ka wapi matondo. Number 12. How would you say Joe and Nat live in London? Joe na Nat bafanda kana London. Joe na Nat bazamalamu mingi. Joe na Nat bayinaka London. Joe na Nat bauti na London. 5 seconds. Off we go. Joe na Nat bafanda kana London. Number 13. How would you say Peter lives in Ngaba? Peter azana Ngaba. Peter afanda kana Ngaba. Peter azamalamu mingi. Mbote Peter. 5 seconds. Off we go. Peter afanda kana Ngaba. Number 14. How would you say hello? Where do they live? In Lingala. Tofanda ka wapi? Ebongo ye afanda ka wapi? Mbote bofanda ka wapi? Mbote bafanda ka wapi? 5 seconds. Off we go. Mbote bafanda ka wapi? Number 15 and the last one. How would you say and you, where do you live? In Lingala. Ebongo yo kombo na yo nani? Ebongo yo ufanda ka wapi? Ebongo yo ozamalamu. Mbote Peter sango nini? 5 seconds. Off we go. Ebongo yo ufanda ka wapi? Okay, so that's it. Please leave your score down below in the comment box. If you score 15 out of 15, 14 out of 15, 13 out of 15, 12 out of 15, just leave your score in the comment box. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Tomona nimbala ya sima. Bye.